here, you got your heart? Yep, right here. Your heart. Okay, you gotta take the heart and rub it in your hands like this.
Here, Kaya, do you want me to hold your binky really quick? Rub your heart in your hands.
Okay, rub your heart in your hands and put a wish on it. Wish. You guys got your wish? Yeah? Okay, now rub it on your heart and put lots and lots of love on there. And now rub it on your head so you're really, really smart. And then rub it on your funny bone to make them really, really funny. And then you put on your strong muscles, make them really strong. Yeah. And then jump as high as you can jump in the air. Jump. All right. Give the heart a kiss.
Give it a kiss, Kaya. Give your heart a kiss. Give the little heart a kiss.
And put it right inside.
Put it inside. Okay, now you're going to put your binky inside too, Kai. Give your binky a kiss. Give your binky a kiss goodbye. You're never going to have it again. Say bye, binky. Bye, binkies. Now we'll always be in your bear, Kaya.
Okay. It's in your bear. She's going to sew it up for you. Sew it up. Our heart and our binkies in there.
Kaya, so your binky's going to be in there, okay?
Okay.
So you can't suck it anymore, okay? Say thank you, but you can squeeze your bear.